Good evening, and welcome to our bedtime massage tutorial. Today we'll teach you how to relax your body through massage, helping you fall asleep faster. Massage can not only relieve muscle tension, but also promote blood circulation. By using the correct massage techniques, we can reduce stress and anxiety, aiding you in achieving deep sleep. Massage works by stimulating specific pressure points and nerve endings. This helps regulate the body's internal clock and improve sleep quality. Additionally, massage can increase the production of melatonin, a hormone closely related to sleep. Studies have shown that regular massage can significantly reduce the time it takes to fall asleep and improve the depth and quality of sleep. To achieve the best relaxation effect, we will focus on massaging the following areas: the head, neck and shoulders, back, waist and feet. First, the head massage. Use your fingertips to gently press your scalp, making circular motions from the forehead to the back of the head. And massage each area for about 1-2 minutes. This helps relax the head muscles, relieve headaches and stress, making it easier for your brain to enter a relaxed state. Next, the neck and shoulder massage. Use your thumb and index finger to gently press the sides of your neck, moving up and down. Be careful not to apply too much pressure. Then, use your palms to knead the shoulder muscles, each kneading session lasting about 1 minute. This effectively relieves tension and stiffness accumulated during daily activities, relaxing the upper body muscles. Then the back massage. If possible, ask someone to help. Use their palms or a massager to push and press along both sides of the back, moving from top to bottom and then from bottom to top. Massage each area for 2-3 minutes. Back massage can release tension in the back and help relax the entire body. Next, the waist massage. Use both fists to gently tap the sides of your waist, moving from top to bottom and then from bottom to top. Use moderate pressure and massage each side for 2 minutes. Waist massage can relieve pressure in the waist, especially beneficial for those who sit for long periods. Finally, the foot massage. Use your thumbs to press various points on the soles of your feet, making circular motions, especially on the Yongquan point, the center of the sole. Massage each foot for 3-5 minutes. Foot massage stimulates the pressure points, promoting overall relaxation and balance, and helping you fall asleep more quickly. By following these simple massage techniques, you can relax your body before bed each night and drift into a sweet slumber. We hope everyone has a good night's sleep tonight. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like and favorite. We'll see you next time.